Coffee and yogurt scrub for your royally skin care, works 100%. How to take care of your royally skin? Is your royally skin? If yes, you need to take more care of your skin as the excessive oil on your skin damages your facial beauty. Because of excessive oily on your skin, you get acne, pimples, blackheads, and other such skin problems. What to use for the treatment of oily skin naturally? In the video below, I have brought a magical remedy for you. Here, I am going to share with you the recipe to make scrub for your royally skin using coffee grounds and yogurt at home. This scrub not only controls your royally skin, but also, it lightens your complexion. Ingredients: coffee grounds, 1 tbsp. Yogurt, 1 tbsp. Procedure: take a clean bowl, and in it, add 1 tbsp of coffee grounds. After this, add 1 tbsp of yogurt. Now, mix the two ingredients well, and make a mixture. The best scrub for your royally skin is ready for use now. How to use? First, take a clean cotton ball, and dip it in lukewarm water. With this, clean your face properly. Now, take the scrub and with it, gently scrub your skin for 2 to 3 minutes. After scrubbing, leave the scrub on your skin for about 5 to 10 minutes. After this, take a cotton ball again, and dip it again in warm water. Now, clean your face with it. This scrub for your royally skin is the best. All the ingredients used in it are natural, and there are no side effects of using this natural scrub. This coffee product helps to remove the dead cells of the skin, and absorbs the excess of skin oil. So, if you are worried because of your royally skin, do not worry. Make and use this scrub to get perfect skin.